Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a scrambled egg, Eritrean Ethiopian style. This is the recipe I have. Okay, this is what I shredded. So you don't have to use all of them. If you want just some of them. That's what I did. Just simple. You don't have to use all of them, but it depends because I make for family. That's what I did. This one, this is enough for 6 egg, and also serrano. Jalapeno. This is what I use. I cut it one, and giant pepper. I will cut it half of them, just a little bit to taste good. Also, I drink my coffee. When you drink coffee, I just recommend you guys to taste good. Use this rue leaves, the rue plant they call. I use for my coffee. Just like that. You're gonna cut it. That's it. Very easy. Scrambled egg, that's my favorite breakfast. Not every day, but like I said, twice or 3 times a week is good. Okay. Okay guys, now it's almost start cooking. This is the 6-piece egg, organic egg. So we'll get ready. Very small amount olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Now you start to put the crushed onion first. See now, it's already soft. Then we're gonna put it garlic first, and then second the onion. About 10 seconds late. After 10 seconds, you're gonna put it on tomato. And always when I make scrambled egg, I just make leftover small piece at the end. It's very delicious. You will see it. already smell is delicious. Oh my God. Yeah, very easy. You can make anytime, especially Saturday, Sunday morning breakfast, scrambled eggs. That's my favorite one. You see now it comes round like this. So now we're gonna put half teaspoon salt, very small piece. And dot cardamom. Like 1/4, not that, 1/4 cardamom. Then it's almost, now everything is mixed well, and that's it. Put it the egg. Just a little bit, about 30 seconds you wait, then stirring well. We'll see how it's delicious. Let's see. This is organic egg. You see how it smells good and looks delicious. I buy from farm, and any store you can find the organic one. Okay, almost done. Now, like I said earlier, at the end, the small tomato, just like this, with giant pepper and a jalapeno. Very small, not that much. And also, if you have rosemary, fresh plant, you can put it at the top, at the end, after you're done. But if you don't have it, still it's delicious. I can tell the smell is good. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I just recommend to make this for you. You can make this easy way. So if you like it, please let me know by comment and like. Also, if you think it's useful, share the others, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. That's it. Done. Boom. Look at how delicious. Ready to eat. This chili pepper, they call Chinese chili pepper, and chili powder. And Eritrean Ethiopian, they call mita. It's very delicious with this. Oh my God. It's so delicious. Please guys, try this and let me know. You will be glad to make it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Okay guys, this is it today for breakfast. So see you next video.